Okay, so I did a little upgrade project here for the Mobula7. As you can see, this thing's totally beat up. Still flies great. Yeah, basically I just took the motors off of the Eachine V-Whoop that I just reviewed that you saw in the previous video. These are the 0802 19,000 kV motors. I think Happy Model has a version that's just the same as this one. This one happens to be Eachine branded, but I think that they're the same. They look the same as the Happy Model motors. They're probably coming from the same factory. I can't really tell a difference. The standard motor obviously is the, I think it's 16,000 kV. The motors look identical. kV is different. And since they're on plugs, it was pretty easy just to take the 3 screws out, swap the motor out, just unplug it, and actually I just left the prop on from the WOV because since it's higher kV, I figured a 3-bladed prop would probably go a little bit faster. So this definitely has more straight line speed. It's a shorter flight time for sure because you're draining the battery faster. So I think I was getting 2.5–3 minutes, but it's a joyride on this. And you know, Happy Model doesn't recommend this motor for 2S. Say it's really a 1S motor, so I wouldn't recommend going full throttle on this for very long. You might burn the ESC or motor out, but they, at least I flew about 10 packs on this so far. No heat issues on the motors or anything like that. They sounded fine. I flew just with the same stock tune that it came with. Even though this is highly beat up, a little bit of vibration because of the really beat up frame. I've got broken duct here and broken duct here, and then the rubber band's holding the top on because the two there's a screw going into like this little piece right here, the little stem that holds the flight controller on. It's broken there and there. The two side ones are broken, but this rubber band's holding it together. And yeah, even though the frame is crap, it still flies fine. A little bit of vibration, but yeah, no issues. But anyway, show you how it flies. It flies okay. I think that for a longer flight time, I think I'll probably go back to the original motors. You're definitely going to be faster on this one if you're in a race, or you want to be on a track or something and you want to beat out the other guys on the 16,000 kV motors. You can definitely do that with this one. Just you're gonna have a shorter flight time. So if your race or whatever is going to be more than 2.5 or 3 minutes, this one ain't going to cut it. If it's a short race, a drag race, you know, like a 2-minute race, then yeah, this one's going to be faster than the standard motor for sure. Anyway guys, here's the flight footage for you.